Join us after hours tomorrow night after the closing bell. It all gets quite serious here on the channel. We are talking AI. Yes, we are reporting the earnings of C3.AI. Things are going to get a bit interesting tomorrow night because it all gets a little bit, quite futuristic. We've already had the attack of AI in our show. We've had people coming on trying to manipulate, pretending to be real, and in fact they're bots and AI. We've got people now writing posts on Twitter that was created purely by AI. None of it was real. Is it all a bit Terminator? Well, tomorrow night we are going to see. We're going to listen in to the earnings. It's an interesting one, this C3.AI. They have the ticker symbol AI. So let's have a closer look at the stock right now. This is C3.AI. Who are they? What do they do? There's quite a new company. Let's scroll down here and have a closer look. 704 employees from California, and we can see they are still losing money. So the company isn't making any money right now. However, this is their story. You can see the typical situation from an IPO. It IPO'd here in 2020, December 20, so just 3 years ago, or 2.5 years ago, and it did its typical thing on IPO day. It popped up, sold all the way off. But in the last few days, of course, we are seeing a massive bounce because we've had Nvidia explode AI. Now, is this simply just trending up because everyone is getting excited about it, or is it genuinely a stock we should be interested in? These are some of the companies that C3.AI is involved with. We've got the US Air Force. We've got Con Edison, we've got Shell, NG, and Raytheon Technologies. These are some of their customers. Now, tomorrow night, we're going to hear from the company. We're going to listen in, so join us for that. But I will tell you now, over the last few days, few weeks, seeing more and more people come in to my channel, actually bots and people scamming the channel, bots trying to manipulate the channel. It's a bit scary, if I'm honest. I got a bit of Terminator up here right now because we detected one this afternoon. It was coming on our show and was a bit of a bot. And there are people now posting exclusively on Twitter with Twitter posts that were created by bots. I mean, is this a good thing, do you think? It's becoming increasingly more difficult to differentiate between real live humans on our account during our live shows and bots. We are seeing more and more of this. People are now writing their whole Twitter feeds, claiming it to be their own Twitter account. I guess it's theirs, but aren't they really custodians of their own account? It's not being written by them. It's not being posted by them. You can even set up your AI to search for trending search terms and write your tweets for you and never have any input into it whatsoever. Is this right? What do you think? Well, anyway, whether you think it's right or whether you don't, this is what we are discussing tomorrow night, the live earnings for C3.AI. It's certainly making all the news right now, and we'll cover it live on tomorrow night's show. Join us. If you want the link for it, I'll give it to you right now. So if you want to join us for the earnings tomorrow night, click above my head and we'll be there after the closing bell, and we'll listen in and we'll hear what they have to say. Now, right now, it's started to fall down a little bit. It's been rising all day, and I told all my investors and traders who joined me live today, don't buy it at the end of the day. It's had a hell of a rise. I think it's overbought. It's showing overbought in the charts. We'll look at it tomorrow, but really, it's very, very early days. We don't know if this company is even going to make any money, but we'll find out tomorrow. Is AI about to explode on C3.AI? Join us then.